Salam, namaste salam, namaste salam, namaste salam, namaste.
3, 2, 1 and here we go. सलाम नमस्ते सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन पर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस बार खास स्वागत है इसलिए क्योंकि मंच पर जो आज बैठे हैं ये देश को आगे लेकर जाने का जज्बा रखते हैं। जोश और जज्बे वालों के साथ मुलाकात होगी। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर द लॉन्च ऑफ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल पॉडकास्ट एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड बिजकास्ट। जो चीज ट्रेंडिंग है और जो चीज सबके साथ कॉमन है वो है बिज। वी टॉक बिजनेस टुडे, वी टॉक आइडियाज टुडे एंड वी टॉक इनोवेशन टुडे। सो समथिंग विच इज कॉमन इज बिजनेस। चाहे वो लॉ हो, चाहे वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो, men, women, youth, anybody. If you have the idea, you have a business to cascade. And that is what we are bringing to you. We are launching BizCast in association with School of Management, IMS Noida. आज जो सोफा पर सारे हीरो और हीरोइंस हैं ये हमारे BBA के स्टूडेंट्स हैं। ये मैं एक तरह से कहूँगी ये बॉडी लीडर्स हैं और जो आने वाला समय होगा शायद इन्हीं के आइडियाज पर जमाने के नए रंग को बदलने की ताकत रखता है। आइए इनसे करते हैं मुलाकात। Let's start from here. Can we have your name, please?
I'm Sakshi.
Hi, Sakshi.
Hello, I'm Priya.
Hello, Priya.
Hello, I'm Simran.
Hi, Simran.
Hello, I'm Priyanshi.
My name is Vibhav Vasu.
So this side is Aditya Mishra.
Hi, Aditya. Yes.
Myself, Faid Khan.
My name is Krishna Dua.
Hi guys, I'm Siddharth Sinha.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. I'm Himanal Nair.
Okay. So this is our team for day one today. But today we are going to discuss about how does Ram look today? How does Sita behave today when we talk business? How does the story change? How does the moral of the story change? How do we rechange the morals and the morals and the morals? How does the hero behave when we talk about a business idea? How does the heroine help the hero? And how does the story take a U-turn? Let's talk business, guys.
Green marketing refers to the marketing of environmentally safe products. It's not just limited to the products, but it's also covers every step of marketing. That means right from the production, right from where you have found the product, from its conception to the packaging, delivery, and also the disposal of the product. It is a very common term. It is a very used term in today's world because everyone is concerned about the environment. Is the responsibility or the duty of the marketers or the company to make products which are environmentally safe so that it can be beneficial, it is sustainable for the future generations. It does not hamper the future generations' growth, and it does not impact the climate. Marketing of these products is very essential in all of the countries. If we see internationally as well, in America it started in America in 1970s or so.
Okay.
Yeah, and since then in a rich country like America, consumers are ready to pay a premium for green products because of their income. Their income is high. But in a country like India, where the per capita income is low, it becomes hard for customers to pay a premium for such products. But it has also seen recent developments in India as well. In the Shark Tank version of India, there have been many startups. Like there was a startup in which Pune-based couple, they formed a product which can be it's basically a plate which can be also used as a box. So that way you are saving the additional cost which would have been required to make the box, and as well as the box is biodegradable. It's not made of plastic, and it's similarly you might have seen various brands replacing the plastic products. If you see in malls and stuff nowadays, you won't get single-use plastics. They have been replaced by polybags and cloth bags and stuff.
Influencer marketing.
Wow.
Influencer marketing as a whole, I feel like, is a very, very versatile stream of marketing. And essentially what marketing is all about, I'll tell you something. That marketing educates many people about a certain product. When people are well informed about your product, your sales will increase, obviously. And marketing is a great help for many business establishments to create revenue options. And also the small businesses that have been opening, or the entrepreneurship that has been booming in India, as we've seen with the shows like Shark Tank coming to India, and the entrepreneurship is booming. So you need marketing to educate as many people as you have to, in order to create revenue, create sales.
Absolutely, yes.
So it is when business sectors use different marketing strategies to increase business profits. So one such sector in marketing is influencer marketing. In today's world, if we talk about the age demographic in India, there are people who are below 55 and above 16 who are the target audience for basically every FMGC or fast moving goods. So people who are younger are willing to pay more, but at the same time, people who are younger are on their phones a lot. We cannot deny that this is a social age. This is the age where internet is very important. So you cannot overlook the fact that you can market your product through the internet, and that's where influencers come in.
Wow.
So basically what influencers are certain people that have a reach, that have followers, and people want to follow them. What the follower basically mean that if the influencer has a certain niche or a certain interest in something, their followers will eventually try to be like them.
Correct.
That is, it's not the very best thing to put it this way, but this is the truth. People are biased and people are very easily influenced by other people.
Yeah. So in a way, the world follows you, I follow you. Yeah.
That's very correct. We are very social creatures and we follow a herd.
Very well said, Siddharth. Very well said.
That's what influencer marketing comes in. Influencers, they basically have a lot of follow, or a lot of reach. So influencer marketing is a form of social media advertising that involves partnering with influential people, as I've said.
Correct. So when we say influence for the good, influence for some business. Thank you, Siddharth. We would like to follow you as an influencer in days to come. Yeah? All the best. Now we follow the next one. Yes.
हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम कृष्ण दुआ है और जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग। आजकल हमारी लाइफ कितनी आसान हो गई है, मतलब फेसबुक चलाते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम चलाते हैं तो एड्स आने लगती है। कुछ सामान मंगाना हो तो ऑनलाइन बुक कर लिया, फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजोन, और इसके थ्रू जो मार्केटर है, जो कंपनियां हैं, उनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा हमें सस्ते में भी सामान मिल जाता है। उनकी मार्केटिंग भी कम होती है क्योंकि उनको कोई बड़ा स्टार नहीं लेना होता, बस एक ऐड लानी होती है। और जैसे हम जैसे बंदे हो गए जो यंग जनरेशन है, जिनको यूट्यूब चैनल है, जैसे मेरा है दुआ की बटन, अगर मैं उसमें कुछ भी करता हूँ, मुझे एक कंपनी स्पॉन्सर देती है, हाँ भाई इसका ऐड कर दो, हम आपको इतने पैसे देंगे, तो उससे मेरा बेनिफिट भी हो गया, कंपनी को भी ऐड मिल गई, और किसी ने मेरे प्रोडक्ट से बाय भी किया तो इससे कंपनी को भी फायदा हो गया। देखा जाए तो ये सारा काम हो चुका है, बहुत ही हमारी लाइफ ईजी हो गई है सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग से। आपने कभी कभी ये देखा होगा, क्या नोटिस किया होगा, कभी आपको कोई चीज चाहिए होती है, जैसे मुझे लैपटॉप चाहिए, तो अचानक से आपके फेसबुक में, इंस्टाग्राम में उन सबकी ऐड आने लगेगी। कभी नोटिस करके देखना, यूट्यूब में उनकी ऐड आने लगेगी। क्यों जी? वाह, क्योंकि वो आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं। आप अपने आप को इतना नहीं जानते जितना वो आपको जानते हैं। क्योंकि आजकल आप ये चीज नोटिस करोगे, वो प्रोडक्ट को नहीं बेच रहे, आपको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट देखना है, हम उस टाइप से बेचेंगे जी। बस हम हमारी सोचने की शक्ति, समझने की शक्ति इतनी कम हो गई है क्योंकि हम पढ़ ही नहीं रहे। अरे हाँ, ये बंदा सही बता रहा है, भाई ले रहे थे, बंदा तो मस्त बता रहा होगा, और उसके आगे नहीं पढ़ रहे। उस बंदे की भी गलती नहीं, उसे पैसा मिल रहा है। दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी चीज पैसा है, और सस्ते में मिल रहा है। जैसे मैं अभी हाल फिलहाल में बताऊँ तो अभी मोटो का एक फोन आया, मोटो न्यू 40, तो वो 19,000 में IP68 की रेटिंग देता है। सस्ता फोन है, वाटर प्रूफ फोन है, 15 5G के ब्रांड है, कर्व डिस्प्ले है, तो 19,000 में सब लोग उसको बाय कर रहे हैं, पर उसकी स्टोरेज कोई नहीं देख रहा, UFF कोई नहीं देख रहा। क्यों? बस लोग ऊपर वाली स्पेसिफिकेशन देख रहे हैं। क्यों? कंपनी ने उसको खोल के हमारे सामने दिखाया है जी। बंदा उसको खोल के पढ़ ही नहीं रहा। क्यों? क्योंकि लोगों के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, लोगों के पास दिमाग में एक आदत बन गई है, भाई इंस्टाग्राम चलाना है, फेसबुक चलाना है। मैम पढ़ाई जा रही है, बंदा इंस्टाग्राम चलाई जा रहा है, अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर ही जा रहा है। क्यों? पहले यूट्यूब में लॉन्ग वीडियो आती थी, लॉन्ग वीडियो देखते थे, पब्लिक एक समय तक बैठी रहती थी, उसकी पढ़ने की शक्ति उतनी थी। पर अब शॉर्ट वीडियो आ गई, और शॉर्ट वीडियो को भी अब स्किप करने का ऑप्शन आ गया, उसको आगे लेके जा सकते हो, पीछे लेके जा सकते हो। उन्होंने हमारी सोचने की शक्ति ही बिल्कुल खत्म कर दी है। और थैंक्स फॉर अब AI आ गया, जिसके चक्कर में जो अब क्रिएटिविटी थी उसकी वैसे ही और ज़्यादा दर्जियाँ उठ चुकी है। सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग अब वही कर रही है। अब वो ये नहीं चाह रही कि अच्छा प्रोडक्ट हम बनाएं, नहीं, वो अब ये चाह रही है हम पब्लिक को क्या बेच सकते हैं उनके थ्रू। तो आज का सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि गलत है, पर मैं आप लोगों से कहना चाहता हूँ जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है, वो भी देख रहा है, सोच समझ के कोई प्रोडक्ट लो, उसके बारे में पढ़ो, थोड़ा सा टाइम दो, क्योंकि आप पैसे दे रहे हो किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के।
बिल्कुल। अब ऑडियंस को भी जानकार बन जाना बहुत जरूरी है। बड़ी खूबसूरती से आपने कहानी के पीछे की कहानी बताई। क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात। आगे चले आपकी बात। हाँ जी।
You know what I feel, that if you want to sell, you have to advertise well. And being a student of BB, I always think about business and entrepreneurship. And when I think about my startup, doing businesses and make money, the first thing which comes in my mind, what type of advertising management which I will choose. Well, there are a lot of advertising which we can choose, like influencer marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and there are various types of marketing. But what I personally feel that the most effective way of marketing is, of course, influencer marketing. And why I am saying this, so as you all talked about influencer marketing, as he talked about influencer marketing, but I just want to add on something in that. Most of the companies are now shifting towards the traditional marketing to influencer marketing. And why I'm saying this, the social media is booming all over the world. Like if I talk about in India, most of the people have cell phones, they are using Instagrams, YouTube, and this is, I know, problematic, but still companies have a chance where they can sell their product easily, like very easily. And what I feel that the companies, they basically choose the sector in which the influencer is doing. Like if there is a company who is like Make My Trip, Ease My Trip. So these companies, what they do, they hire the travel bloggers who travel all over the world, and they just book tickets from their app. And most of the viewers who are watching their videos, they also influenced by watching them, and they also try to book all the tickets from them. And this example of beauty products, as well as if I give example of Nike, they hire a lot of influencers like sports, LeBron James and Jordan. So these are some of those shoes which is very famous just because of them, not because of the company, because of the name which is associated with the brand.
Yes.
So that also the sales boom. And if we talk about Indian companies who is also a unicorn, this is focusing more and more on influencer marketing, is Mamaearth. You all have heard about it. And what Mamaearth basically do, they literally have captured all the YouTubers, all the Instagram reelers. They just hire all the people. If I talk about some of the name like Gaurav Taneja and FitTuber, FitTuber is one YouTuber who basically make natural products. And all over his videos, he always promote Mamaearth, because the sector in which he is speaking is Ayurveda. And Mamaearth also sell their product as calling themselves as a natural, 100% natural. They don't mix any type of SLS and parabens. So these are some of the examples. Of course, Amul also do. So I think that if you want to sell your product, then you have to go to the influencer marketing, because it is the most effective as well as cost effective. Thank you.
Correct. I could see that twinkle in your eye, and I'm sure the next business idea would be your own idea, which will make you popular one day. Good luck. We come to the next speaker.
Hello, I am Adit Mishra. As you know, the today's scenario is very changing from we are looking about the marketing and the marketing trends. We are looking the traditional marketing, digital marketing, and the various type of marketing. So we are seeing the hoarding, boardings, TV ads, and the distribution of any product and the pricing of any product. But all the things, how can be done in the company? So this is none another. This is the marketing management. This is a very important for any organization to boost any product and the pricing and the distribution of any product which he can let to in the market. So basically my main topic is today we want to understand how the marketing management take place in today's society. It can change the behavior pattern, the neurology, and the various other things they manipulate and persuade the customer to purchase their product.
Correct.
So now go on the depth. The theoretical concept of the marketing management is said that the marketing management is the process of planning, executing, and evaluating market campaigns and the activities. Now, after listen these, it is also important to know what the main objectives led by the marketing management. So these activities are increasing sales, attracting new customer, satisfying customer needs, building brand awareness. So when we listen about all the influencer marketing, digital marketing, all this campaign are always be campaign without any digital marketing or any other marketing cannot be led by the marketing management. So marketing management is a very essential part of any sector and any product boost. So now let's also see the main roles and the responsibilities of marketing managements are the developing marketing strategies to sell their product, and now creating marketing campaign to run the product and increase the productivity and the sales of the product, and executing market campaigns and measuring the effectiveness of the market. Also, let's also see what the terminologies and the tools they can use to boost their product and influence the customers. So these are basically they're doing the PR, public relations, advertisement, social media marketing, digital marketing, email marketing, direct marketing, and now the most and the very crucial topic now. This is time influencing, that is societal marketing. Societal marketing is one of the best techniques used by the companies to influence and persuade the customers, because they not use for their our generation, but they save for the future generation. As my friend said, the Mama Earth is also help in the sustainable development. They plant the trees. Now also we have see the Amul also help the customers, and also the Tata groups lots of doing the philanthropist work. And we all have heard about the paper board, how he amazing using different types of advertising techniques to locate the childrens, and even not the children, even though also the big ones, Gen Zs and other types of the generation also the catching up. Now also these marketing management techniques do not initially doing by their own. Some of the companies they hire the host companies for their agendas. For example, when we listen about the Coca-Cola, so Coca-Cola or the campaigns run by the Accentures, and when we talking about the Totoya, it can be led by our marketing campaigns by Dentsu, and when we talking about one of the most famous brand is PepsiCo, led by the Omicron. These are the host companies that led to the market for these product and led the various campaigns for the market. So marketing management, in the conclusion, I want to say that marketing management is an essential part of successful of any business. By understanding the principle of the marketing management, business create the effective market campaigns. After all these things, we have also to know what the future trends of the marketing, can it sustain in the future or not. So this is a very important topic. So as we know, the AI is leading the generations of our future. The ChatGPT and various boards and various automations technologies are using. So some of person also think might that marketing is very riskier for their future. But I want to say that if anyone want to tackle these things, they learn the technologies and skill up and go broader on the terms, and learning these things can definitely help. And also I want to add, do not be influenced by anyone, because you are the owner of your own. Do not influence by any types of the market campaigns. Use your own brain. Do not use of another brain to persuade by the others to choose those product that you want to purchase. Thank you.
Amazing. You look so ready to swim in the business ocean. मैंने कहीं सुना था कि अगर पति के घर में दिल करना हो तो पत्नी जो है खाने का सहारा लेती है. इनकी बात से समझ में आया कि कस्टमर के दिल में अगर घर करना हो तो मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट का सहारा लिया जा सकता है. हम यहाँ आते हैं. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर.
So, like everyone has shared very great insights diving deeper into the world of marketing.
Yeah.
You see, marketing has come a long way from its roots. It's not just about billboards, commercials, and catchy slogans anymore. It's about understanding what truly drives consumer decisions, what ignites their emotions, and how we as marketers can tap into the very essence of human behavior.
Perfect.
This is where neuromarketing comes into play. It's a captivating branch of marketing, actually a science, that explores neural pathways that shape our choices as consumers. It's about peeking into the brain's inner workings to decode why we prefer one product over another, why we remember some ads vividly, and why we are drawn to certain brands. Neuromarketing is the art of persuasion and advertising, and it uncovers the neural pathways that drive our purchasing decisions, revealing how our brains react to marketing stimuli. Think of it as intersection of neuroscience, psychology, and marketing, a field that deciphers why we buy what we buy. Research has shown that our brain has hardwired to respond to emotional triggers in advertisements. That's why you will often find heartwarming stories or funny ads stick with you for a long time. But it's not just about emotions. Colors play a very significant role too. Brands meticulously select colors that create a specific association. For instance, red might evoke excitement and urgency, while blue conveys trust and reliability. These choices aren't random, they are backed by neurological studies. Let's dive into some remarkable Indian examples of neurological advertisement. That's Amul's Utterly Butterly Delicious. Amul's iconic ad campaign featuring the Amul girl with her witty one-liners has been a staple in Indian advertising.
Have
Next
you been
is-
following those? I'm a die-hard fan of those liners. Yeah, they're very interesting.
Very interesting, actually. So, next is Cadbury's Kuch Meetha Ho Jaye.
Uh-huh.
Cadbury masterfully taps into the emotion of joy in their ads. The zingles and the visuals are designed to activate the pleasure centers of the brain, making people associate Cadbury with happiness. Then comes the very iconic Colgate's "Kya aapke toothpaste mein namak hai?" Colgate introduced the concept of salt and toothpaste, aligning with traditional Indian practices by combining science with familiarity. They triggered a sense of trust and curiosity among the customers. Neuromarketing has undoubtedly influenced how brands have approached advertising in India. It's not just about what you see, it's also about what you feel when you see it. Lastly, neuromarketing is about creating meaningful connections with consumers, understanding their emotions, and delivering messages that resonate in this very diverse and dynamic market. That's
You created that Hum Saath Hai, you know, that scene, family looking into the TV. I was remembering that soap ad. What was that called? तुम हुस्न परी, तुम जाने जहाँ, तुम सबसे हंसी, तुम सबसे जवान, सौंदर्य साबुन निर्मा. Oh, you made that scene so alive. Thank you so much. We go to the next speaker.
Hello, I have chosen the topic of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop, mobile phones, and online platforms to promote their goods and services. It also provides knowledgeable information about the product to the customers. Its development during 90s and 20s changed the way of brands and business uses technology for marketing. As digital platforms becoming increasingly incorporated into marketing plans and everyday life, and as people increasing uses digital devices instead of visiting physical shops, digital marketing campaigns have become prevalent, employing combinations, content marketing, influencer marketing, data marketing. And if we talk about the digital marketing during COVID times when people were not able to go outside, it came as a savior for them. They can easily purchase any products or services. If we talk about for the people who are disabled or handicapped, they can easily purchase goods with the help of digital marketing. It is a platform where people not only purchase goods but also can sell their products with the help of different websites and with the help of influencers. Thank you.
Amazing. Let's go to the next speaker. Yes.
First of all, I would like to thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
Absolutely great opportunity for us. We're listening to all the young minds. Wow.
So my topic is digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Yeah, I know. मतलब सबको पता होगा common word है, but फिर भी मैं बताऊंगी. Digital marketing is a strategy or technique to promote product or service through digital channels, such as service engine optimization, which is commonly known as SEO. It helps our website to rank higher in search engine result pages based on keywords. Other techniques are content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing. This not include only email, social marketing and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel. So some advantages of digital marketing: global reach, lower cost, openness, social currency. और मतलब सबको पता होगा कि मतलब nothing is perfect, so इसका disadvantage भी है. फीडबैक अच्छा नहीं आता, सिक्योरिटी एंड वो प्राइवेसी इशू है, रिस्क है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, स्किल रिक्वायरमेंट ग्लोबल. एंड एट लास्ट मतलब डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का मोटिव ये है, द मोटिव ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज टू हेल्प बिजनेस रीच टू द मैक्सिमम ऑडियंस. सो दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू अगेन.
We now come to the last two speakers of the day today. Listen to them very, very carefully.
Hello ma'am, hello everyone. So I want to add on in digital marketing. Basically digital marketing is online marketing. So it is in the form of social media ads or paid social media ads or in the form of emails, WhatsApp messages, lots of messages. So उन जिनका मन होता है बिजनेस करने का तो थ्रू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वो उनके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है. लाइक मेरी फ्रेंड तो वो अपना ऑनलाइन बिजनेस करती है इयररिंग्स का. तो उसको अच्छा प्रॉफिट आता है इससे. तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए डिजिटल मार्केटिंग अच्छा है. अब जैसे पैंडेमिक था, as you all know,
yes, the world was running through digital, yes, right? Yeah.
So उस टाइम पे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सबके लिए लाइक वही चीज थी बस, बाकी और कुछ था ही नहीं. बहुत हेल्पफुल था.
Absolutely, without any second thoughts, IT has become the morale and the backbone of every industry. We have some brilliant ideas on the floor today. Let's speak to the last speaker of the day, and I'm sure we have some amazing stories to wrap up the story today. Yes.
So here, I would like to let some light on marketing. What is real marketing? Most people don't understand marketing. Marketing, they think marketing is hustle or hype or control or stealing people's attentions. It's not. Some people think marketing is advertising, which it used to be, and for 100 years advertising. Marketing was same thing, because if you bought enough ads, you would make enough money to buy more ads. Marketing is about telling a true story that resonates with your smallest viable audience, that they want to hear, that cause them to take action and to tell their friend. अगर आपको कोई ब्रांड परचेज करना है या कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है तो आप खुशी खुशी चाहेंगे कि हम उसे परचेज करें और हम इसे अपने दोस्तों को बताएं. तो ये जो मार्केटिंग है, मार्केटिंग का कंसेप्ट ये है कि जो वो अपनी कोर वैल्यूज में ब्रांड को एडवर्टाइज करता है, जिससे हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताएं, और इसी के कारण माउथ टू माउथ टेलिंग होती है, जिससे जो ब्रांड्स होते हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज किए जाते हैं. पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द पर्पल काउ. It is a concept where we have to think outside of the box.
Okay, absolutely. Thank you so much. I got to know that new word, purple cow.
Yes.
Right? दोस्तों, रंग बदल चुका है, मौसम बदल चुका है. Days have changed and so has business. We no longer only talk about product, we talk about how are you ready about the market. And we talk about market, we talk about marketing. Marketing has got a lot of colors, rainbow colors are less. Am I right? Yes. I had got this special privilege to talk to all the young minds today because मैं जानती हूँ आने वाला समय इन्हीं के द्वारा अपना जोश लेकर चलेगा. बिजनेस की जब हम बात करेंगे तो जमाने में बात एक अलग जोश से होगी. हाउस द जोश? यस. देखिए, कहानी कहीं से भी शुरू हो सकती है और जब कहानी यंग माइंड से शुरू होती है तब उसका रुतबा ही अलग होता है. बिजकास्ट में इसी रुतबे को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हम बहुत सारे आइडियाज लाते रहेंगे. Bizcast. While I'm saying that name, I have goosebumps. I've got my mind tickling with ideas. And business की बात जब हम करते हैं वो किसी भी आइडिया के साथ, किसी भी इंसान के साथ, किसी भी उम्र के साथ हो सकता है. It's just about the idea you put on to the platter. What is that you bring on the table and do you turn the table? Bizcast में इन चीज़ों की डिस्कशंस के अलावा कुछ सक्सेस स्टोरीज होंगी, कुछ उम्दा ख्यालात होंगे, कुछ आइडियाज़ होंगे, कुछ ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज़ का उल्लेख होगा, ब्रिलियंट एग्जाम्पल्स की स्टोरी शेयर की जाएंगी, हंसना गुनगुनाना होगा. और जैसा मैंने कहा, आज का ट्रेंड जो है वो ट्रेंडिंग टॉक होगा. पॉडकास्ट ट्रेंडिंग है, बिजनेस ट्रेंडिंग है. वेलकम टू बिजकास्ट. आज मंच पर जिन जिन लोगों ने माइक पर सुंदर सुंदर बातें रखी और बिजनेस के नए आइडियाज से हमको वाकिफ करवाया, आपको वाकिफ करवाया, उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. Heartfelt thank you to everybody. And then we celebrate it for the day today, and from here we take on the legacy. Welcome to the family of Bizcast. Bizcast will be bringing stories about different aspects of business, how business is changing, any beautiful idea, any beautiful startup, amazing success story. Thank you so much for joining us in Bizcast today. We will be casting more ideas, and till then, stay cool, stay smiling, stay tuned to
Salam Namaste.
Salam, namaste.